Hey there, it's Gina, and in this video I'm going to show you another easy bow tutorial. So I had a video that went crazy on YouTube, and I know that you guys like to see the bows, and so I'm going to show you another easy way to make one. So you're going to start off, this one uses thin ribbon, so this is how to make a bow with thin ribbon. And you need your pieces to be somewhere between 6 and 10 inches long, just depends on how big you want your bow. And you can use all one kind, or you can use a bunch of different kinds like I am. I'm even adding in like bric-a-brac and lace and pom-pom trim, and you can really get creative with it, but you just want a bunch of different pieces and you want to stack them in a star, kind of a star shape, where you have like a criss and a cross and one in the center. And I just like to stack up one kind over another over another. I use the thicker at the back, and then the closer to the front I do the thinner ones, and I try to alternate the colors and the patterns and the textures so it has a little bit of diversity. And then I like that little pom-pom trim on the front. This one has like a wire core to it. It's really pretty and it's a lot of fun in bows. So I'm going to add that on the top, crisscross, and then one across the center. Then I'm just going to pinch them all together and use a zip tie to connect them together in the center. You can use a black one, a white one, it doesn't really matter, whichever kind you like. Just pinch it, and then I kind of use the enclosure on it and do that on the back. I don't completely tighten it up at first. I kind of loosely hold it in place, and then I kind of fluff the bow the way I want it, and I zip tie it together, and that's pretty much it. After I do that, I take a longer piece of one of the ribbons, whichever one that you like. You need a little bit of a thicker one. Like, I wouldn't try the pom-pom trim, but definitely the black grosgrain ribbon that I use on this one works really well. I just cut that tail off, then wrap that long piece of ribbon around and tie a knot in the back to have the zip tie, and that's pretty much it. You could use this on anything from packages to wreaths to whatever project you have. And if you want to add a little bit more, like you want to vary up the lengths a little bit, it does add a little bit more interest to the bow, and I'll just trim those after I'm done. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you check out some of my other videos, or hit the subscribe button, or follow if you're on Facebook. And if you don't follow me on Facebook, I do go live a couple of times a week on my page, Crafting at the Shabby Creek Cottage. You can find that over on Facebook as well. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks so much for watching.